Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video is going to be an ultimate clean my car. I really, as you can see, desperately need to clean my car. It is actually, this was from last year, and we parked my car in like December, and it was in the garage till about now, so we pulled it out, and I'm just going to go through everything, pull out the trash, and start cleaning.
Living on the highway, taking every turn. I've been on the road since I was 5. Sitting by my father for 1,000,000 miles, picking up old stories on the ride. I've been counting shadows to the beat of the radio. I feel like a baby when I sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till I'm coming home, then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep.
So the vacuum that I'm using here is a commercial vacuum actually, and the name of it is ProTeam Super CoachVac Backpack Vacuum. And it's a really good vacuum. It is better for large spaces where you put it on your back. And I used to use this in my house up until we bought my Dyson V10, which I love for the house, and I don't like to use it in the car. I just don't want to get it all dirty. And this vacuum has excellent suction. It's not really comfortable with the whole backpack tank sitting on the seat, but hey, you know, I have it, so I used it and it worked pretty well.
Every single coffee, every single break, every single moment I'm awake. Wanna play it open, wanna play it right. Don't want another storm to ride. I've been counting headlights to the beat of the radio. I feel like I wanna go to sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till I'm coming home, then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep it wild. Keep it wild. Keep the fire burning. Too many times I've been drifting away, like a shadow in the sun, having fun, then I shifted a pale. Too many times I've been drifting away, like a shadow in the sun, having fun, then I shifted a pale. Let's keep the fire burning, baby, till I'm coming home. Then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe. Keep.
Okay, so after cleaning up all the trash in the third row, I am now going to vacuum everything out, and there is a lot of gunk stuck to the seats and stuff spilled. I had the kids' car seats, the smaller children's car seats buckled in back here, so they always sat in the back, and they just, I don't know what they got all over the seats, but it's nasty looking. So I'll be cleaning all of that out, and goodness, this video actually took me much longer. This took me like all day. It was very hard to crawl in and out between the seats. So side note, it's much easier to clean a car when you're not pregnant.
Your face in the crowd. I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile. Every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you felt the same. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
Okay, so I'm going to make an attempt to clean my seats now. I made a mixture of water and PineSol. I did not have another cleaner at this time, and I did get one later. My husband brought me some, but I started with the PineSol, and I did do some research, and it said it was okay as long as you dilute it. It didn't seem to have a horrible effect on the seats, so they didn't look like they dried out when I was done. I ended up cleaning most of my car with the PineSol, and it seemed to do a pretty good job. Okay, so in an attempt to clean out the gum and all the gunk stuck in the seat, I used a screwdriver from my husband's toolbox. I do not have the proper tools to do this kind of stuff, so I just improvised, and it worked. I just had to make sure not to press down too hard, not to make a hole in the seat.
With your hand on my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? Standing here, I need to let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you.
So now I'm spraying PineSol on the dirty areas on the carpet, and I'm going to scrub it with my little brush. This little brush that I'm going to use, I don't like it. It sucks, honestly. It has a very tiny handle, and it's so hard to hold. But it's the one I had, so I went ahead and used it. But definitely for next time, I will be getting something else. I will definitely be investing in some car cleaning tools.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
So you'll see me spraying down the windows throughout as I'm cleaning, and that is my glass cleaner that I like to use, and I've showed it to you guys before. I mentioned it. I buy it at Costco. It works really well, and it's one of my favorites actually. So you'll see that being used on the windows as I clean.
There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins.
So at some point last year, my kids stuck a sticker on the windows, and I absolutely dislike stickers on windows in my car. It just makes it look so messy and just, ugh, and then they rip and it just doesn't look nice. And I was having a hard time getting rid of this, and I did make a little mistake over there with a screwdriver. If you can see, I kind of scratched the tint. I kind of like pushed in too hard right away, so now I have a little see-through hole in my tint. Yeah, don't do that. But that was my mistake. Not smart. Oops. But I did spray it with PineSol and then just scrub it with a cloth, and it came out pretty well. So over here, this is the seats where I put one down and I just sprayed it down, and I'm gonna scrub out everything that fell between the seats, and it came out pretty good. So now moving on to my second row. As you can see, the seats are pretty sticky looking and they have stuff stuck to it as well. So no gum, so not as bad as the third row, but it's still pretty gross looking. So I'm spraying it down with PineSol. I'm gonna wipe it down with a rag and get to cleaning the carpet.
You're so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a
Okay, so now I'm moving on to the carpet on the driver's side of the back seat. There was something stuck to it and it was kind of hard to get out, but after letting it soak with some PineSol and then I scrubbed at it, it came out. So I was pretty happy with that. So as I'm cleaning the driver's side carpet, I just realized that I do not have mats on the floor and I don't know why. I'm not really sure where they disappeared to or what happened to them, but I really need to look into getting some apparently because I'll be washing this carpet every single time I clean the car if I don't get something. So my husband just brought me this box with like it's like a clean car cleaning set or car detailing set, and I'm going to so this is dash and glass apparently, and I'm gonna give it a try on the dashboard and the window and see how it does. I mean I think I like it, and it smells good, so it did make my car smell really good. So this one here is a inside and out protectant, so use it on seats and all the surfaces in the car, so I'm guessing it gives it a shine and also a really good smell. So you'll see there's like a greasy handprint right up top in the window, and I'm having a hard time getting it out. I did spray it down with the glass cleaner that I get at Costco, and after a little bit of scrubbing, it finally came out. So the fancy cleaner from the box did not take out the greasy handprint. Alright, so this is the end of my cleaning my car video. I am going to put my seats down, and yes, I have a very tiny trunk, but hey, that's the price you pay. I hope you guys liked my video. I hope that, it was enjoyable and it gave you guys inspiration and motivated you to clean your cars if it needed to be done, of course. I am really like you get this really good feeling when you drive your car and it's so clean, and I'm gonna wash the car seats and put them back in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and let me know below in the comments. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.